Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today I'm going to answer the question that you are wondering about. Will my JK bumper fit on my JL? And luckily for you, the answer is sort of. With that being said, yes, they will fit. However, you need to make sure that you don't have one of your JK bumpers with a skid plate that goes down into your rear front cross member. Besides that, they will fit. There's a little bit of light modification that you'll have to do, mostly with some supports from the factory JL bumper, the supports from the frame to the actual bumper. With that being said, yes, your JK bumper will work with your JL. I would say go ahead and give it a shot with swapping it over. More likely than not, your front bumper will fit on your new JL. If you don't know for a fact, I would recommend calling the manufacturer of your bumper and saying, hey, I got this JK bumper, will it work with my JL? Perfect example, this is a Deviate front bumper, originally intended for a JK. It fits on the JL, no problem. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's the tires, the wheels, the lift, front bumper, LED, light bars, headlights, hoods, fenders, grills, go to our website, central-alps.com, and we would love to get your parts shipped out today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.